Welcome, my name is Lee Vaught. I'm a doctor of chiropractic and applied kinesiology. This is my world where I practice applied kinesiology, muscle testing, and neurointegration. In over 30 years of working with patients, I've come to realize one thing, that the majority of people that come in to see me, their underlying problem is that their nervous system is not functioning right. This is not like the dysfunction you'd find by going to a neurologist. This is a dysfunction of the whole system working as a unit. So what I'm going to show you today and talk about is how we assess that using muscle testing. So what we're going to do is get in Mr. Peabody's Wayback Machine, and we're going to go way back to when this started. So Marlene, would you lay down for me? This is what I call show and tell time that I learned when I was in kindergarten. Hold your arm, hold it. Okay, now do a same-sided exercise for me. This is a same-sided or homolateral exercise. Hold this up. And that's weak, and that's what it should be. That means it's functioning normally. Now do a crossed exercise. And we're going to see how a crossed exercise works. Good. Hold this up. And that's strong. This is what you normally should find, and this is the normal position in applied kinesiology that a patient's checked in. But I've expanded this to check the patient out in a sitting position. So now in a sitting position, we're going to do the same exercise, same test. Homolateral exercise. This tests the system under gravity. Hold this. It's weak. Now we're going to do a crossed exercise. And that's strong, and that's normal. Now what Marlene's going to do is she's going to stand up. And the good thing about applied kinesiology, you can take the same tool like a crossed exercise and check a person in several different positions. So now we're going to try standing. Do same side. Hold this up. The same side is strong now, and a same-sided exercise in a human being should be weak. Do crossed. Hold this. And that's weak. Have a seat. So what this shows is that her nervous system as a unit, when she's standing up, is not functioning integrated. This is like having a football team and every player knows exactly what they're doing, but when they got to function as a unit, they don't do as well as other teams. It's the same thing here. All the parts of her nervous system have to function together in all these positions. And being that we're human beings, one of the main positions that has to function is when we're standing up. Once we go into and find out why it's disorganized standing, and we get that done, then what we do is use a cross pattern exercise again as homework for the patient to reinforce the organization and keep it organized. So in this case, what Marlene would do, once we got it organized, you'd stand up, okay, face the camera. And this is the basic pattern of every neurological organized that everybody gets sent home to do. Put your right finger on your nose. Okay. And what you're going to do is when you move your right elbow to the right, you're going to turn your head to the right and move your left leg.
Want me to start?
Yes, go ahead. And you're back to center. Keep going. And that is the basic pattern. Thank you. Okay. So in neurointegration covers a great deal more than this. This is just the basic and the basic start of it. And what makes it different is doing the cross-lateral exercise with the finger on the nose, turning the head to the right, because what that does is get your right brain running things and biases the right brain where the seat of yourself is located so that it's in charge. Another thing is using muscle testing, because then you get immediate feedback as to what the status of her nervous system is and as to what we need to do to correct it. Thank you.